Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NBEV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First update comes about just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And this actually played out perfectly on the day. During that first 30 minutes, that level was broken. And then as the rule states, when the resistance is broken, you want to see it act as support. And you can see it acted beautifully as support right there. In the afternoon, once again, acted as support. So right around this 580 mark is definitely that ideal level of support, meaning hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the best? Certainly staying above 580. With that being said, though, if the price falls below 580, I'm not saying the entire chart's broken or ruined or anything like that. And I'm going to just actually go ahead and get rid of that because we have a kind of a more pressing level of support. So taking a step back, looking at things from the grand scheme of it all, just watch that purple line, which is the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. And I've talked about this in the past, but I'm going to continue to talk about it because it really does do a great job of just simplifying how do you gauge the health of the move. This right here being defined as the move. And just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, sure, staying above 580, that would be great. But from the big picture of it all, as long as the price is above 580, that is going to be that key level, the ideal level, I should say, to watch. Now, what about areas of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, as of right now, it seems to be right around $6.20, give or take. I realize the price did technically go up above there, but on a couple other instances, the price didn't quite go up that high. So, a little variety in terms of didn't go up that high, did go up a little bit above it. So I'm just trying to split the difference there and kind of find that common middle ground. But all in all, any way you look at it, great looking chart. And as long as the price keeps on building the higher bases like it's been doing, then everything else will continue to take care of itself. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.